So I think that Ghana has, or the ECOWAS has, a responsibility over Mali for negotiating a backdoor deal with the imperialists. That's just the simple truth. Because under normal circumstances, I don't understand where this pressure is coming from. Like I gave you the example, if ECOWAS is going to support Mali, that means that ECOWAS should be ready for a very strong fight to own their own currency. As a matter of fact, your reserve is not held by you. Your reserve is held by your colonial master. And you need a form of negotiation for him to release that. That means that there must be an equivalent. It means something of the equal price must be put on the table if France is going to allow the ECOWAS to own their own currency. It means that ECOWAS is going to sell something equivalent to that. And that is why Mali, as it stands now, the third largest gold reserve in Africa, is a high price. 703 tons of gold was found in Mali last year. Till now, the price of gold in the world market has not been stable because it shook everybody. Sudan, of recent, oil was found in Sudan, which is rated above that of Saudi Arabia. ECOWAS has to trade something equivalent if it's going to get its currency. That is what is happening right now. Because it makes no sense for me to support injustice. As a matter of fact, you find fault where there is no fault. That is the most challenging part. If ECOWAS was European organization, I will understand that Europeans are against Africa. But for ECOWAS, being an African organization, goes against its own values of its founding fathers. That Mali has been able to remove a government set in by the imperialists, and then you oppose